Okay, thank you for joining us today, everybody. My name is Rebecca Antel. I'm the Youth Services Consultant at the South Carolina State Library. And today we're going to be making easy, no-bake energy bites. One of the things that our partner libraries are talking about throughout the month of December with our Network of National Libraries of Medicine project is the importance of taking care not only of our physical health, but also our mental health. And that's something that we've seen has been very important this entire year of 2020. But it's always important around the holidays when people are busier, you're around a lot more family. There's a lot of pressure coming at you from all sorts of various places to get everything done and to be at work and to have the perfect Christmas house decorated and get all of the perfect presents and just be all of these things. And setting aside some time for self-care and intentionally taking care of yourself and your health is really important throughout the month of December. And that's one of the reasons why I chose this recipe. Don't get me wrong, I like baking, I like cooking. I make a whole variety of Christmas cookies and enjoy them greatly. But it can be a lot of sugar. And a lot of sugar tends to not be good for our bodies, and it tends to not be good for our brains either. So sometimes it's nice to throw in a recipe that gives you that sense of indulgence, but is healthy at the same time. And so that's what we have going on with our energy bites. These are really super easy to throw together. They don't require baking time. You can customize what you like and don't like. Today I've got coconut flakes, chocolate chips, and honey. Perhaps you want to use maple syrup instead as your sweetener. That adds a nice flavor. Perhaps you don't want the chocolate, but you want to use some raisins instead, or raisins and chocolate chips, or maybe some dried cranberries. So this is a recipe that you can really get creative with. It's another great one to make with your kids, again, because there's no sharp instruments involved, there's no baking, so it's really easy to throw together. The recipe that I'm using today we got from the Chef Savvy blog. There's a million different energy bite recipes out there, but we'll post the recipe so that you can find it. And let's go ahead and get started. You can see it slowly taking shape and holding together. You want to be sticky enough to hold shape. If it's too sticky, you can either add some more ground flaxseed or stick it in the refrigerator for a little bit. That looks like it's going to be just about perfect to put out onto a cookie tray. You're just going to shape. I'm going to take about a tablespoonful. If you have a tablespoon or maybe a small ice cream scoop, you can use that to shape your balls. And we're putting them out on a cookie tray. If you have it and you want to line your cookie tray with some parchment paper or some wax paper, that makes it a little bit better. And you're just going to shape them. You don't want them to be too big. These are better for you than cookies, but they're still not something that you want to take 3 or 4 of or have a great big piece of. Everything in balance, like we said before. These have right around 150 to 175 calories, depending on how big you're making your shapes. And right around 6 to 8 grams of protein. And quite a bit of fiber with the ground flax and the oatmeal. So they're going to be good for you. They're going to fill you up, as well as, like we said at the beginning, give you that little bit of of sweet indulgence with the peanut butter and the honey and the chocolate. So we're going to let those chill in the refrigerator, and then you can store them in a container in either the refrigerator or the freezer and pull one out whenever you like. And those are the quick, easy, no-bake Energy Bites recipe. Enjoy!